What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And guess what, honey? Your girl finally is here to deliver your highly requested recipe. Your drink, honey. Your drink. I did this recipe a while back when I first started this YouTube thing, but for some reason or the other, YouTube took the video down. I don't know why, but guess what? I got you, bro. I got you. We are going to be making our dirty banana. Dirty banana. In my kitchen, fast, easy and simple. I'm going to show you how I make my version of my dirty banana, right? This is an island thing, but I'm going to share it with you. We are going to be remixing this dirty banana drink. Now, if you're here watching me for your very first time and you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so. And after you don't do that, turn on your notification setting. Why? To be reminded every time I upload a brand new video. And for all my returning goodies, big up on yourself straight. Let's start cooking.
Want to be independent, yet she can't read and write a sentence.
Alright, goodies, make we talk about our ingredients. Here I have one banana. You're going to need a cherry for the recipe, and I'm using some coconut cream here. This I bought in the liquor store, but if you don't have that, use fresh coconut for the recipe. I'm also going to be using my chocolate syrup. You definitely need a blender for this, and you're going to need your kahlua. I'm using the vanilla flavor here. In the liquor store, they have several different kinds of kahlua you could purchase, but I like the vanilla. You definitely need some rum, white rum, but I'm using this brand, but you could substitute that out. I'm also going in with some Irish cream. If you have Baileys, you can use that, but this is the one that I have at hand, so I'm choosing to use this one, and it tastes really good. Now you're going to need milk, and I'm using coconut almond milk because that's what I have, but of course you can substitute out this right here for whatever kind of milk you have, whole milk, anything, go ahead and use that. But this is all the ingredients that you are going to need for this recipe, and you're going to you could substitute for as close as you need as far as your ingredient is concerned, right? All right, so now measurements is serious. I am serving for 2. This recipe, this amount that I'm adding here, I'm serving for 2, but depending on your glass, of course, you could serve for maybe 3 if your glass is smaller, bigger. You'll see later on, right? But anyway, I'm using a half cup measurement for the recipe. Okay, now let's get started here. Now in your blender, you want to go ahead and add a couple of cubes of ice. The more ice, the merrier, because it's going to come out like a smoothie form, right? Now you're going to add your kahlua into the blender. Mine won't kind of tight for open, but anyway, we are going in with a half cup of the kahlua into my blender, and it tastes really good too. I like the vanilla flavor, it's nice. All right, so go ahead and add that in. Then we are going to go in with the rum, and if you have the Jamaican Ray and Navy rum, perfect, use that, or any other kind of a rum. Caribbean rum will work just fine. All right, now I added exactly half cup of that rum into the blender. All right, junk thing we're talking about today. Then I'm going in with this right here. Now, like I said, if you don't have that, it's okay, go with the Baileys, and them have other creamy alcohol beverages such as this one that you could substitute for, and I added a half cup of that as well. Now you want to go in with the coconut. Now if you don't have this particular one, use fresh coconut where you make rice and peas with, the one there, like about a half a cup or a cup of that. But this one is pretty strong, so I only added a half a cup. If you were going to use the one in the can, use a half can of that. right? All right, so our next ingredients is our milk. Now I only have a half cup measurement, so I'm going to add 2 of that. Total 1 cup of any kind of milk of your choice. Add that into the blender. Then you go in and add your banana. Of course, you could add 1 whole banana, but I didn't want to add a whole banana. I only added a half. Go ahead and give it a good blend and make sure that ice is all smoothed out, because you don't want to be having chunks of ice into your mixture. So give it a really good blend for at least a good minute. After you're done, it's going to look like that. Now the next thing you want to do is get your glass all decorated. This is why it's called the dirty banana, right? In your glass of choice, you're going to next go in for your chocolate syrup. Any kind of your choice will work. Get your chocolate syrup and just do whatever kind of design that you choose in your glass. Just like I'm doing here, right? Anywhere it fall, I just saw it stop. That looked pretty good to me. Now it's time to complete this thing. Go ahead and just pour in that good mixture all up in that glass. And this glass I'm using right here is a pretty big one, and it's going to make for 2. Serve for 2. Yes, honey. Now we want to make it perfect, right? Dirty banana. We can't serve it up like that. It's still missing a few things. But that looks pretty drinkable, but not time to drink the thing yet. We're going to make it fancy. Now you want to go in and add your banana on the side of the glass. Then you get your cherry on your toothpick and place it anywhere on the banana that you so please. And add your straw into it, right? You have to put the straw in. And there you have it. Your dirty banana in your kitchen any time of the week or day. Fast, easy, and simple. I hope you did enjoy this recipe. I know you've been waiting for it for a minute, but as usual, your girl is always here to deliver, right? So be sure to give your girl a thumbs up on your way out. Make sure you spread the love with friends and family. Tell them what's going on over here. Go they bring them, come and send them, come, I'm waiting. After they get done that, tell me what you like to have me cooking next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy!